My name is Carol. I'm a screening operator at DuraTech, and I'm going to show you how to set up a job. This is an M&R Saturn. This is one of our many presses that we set up. It's the screener's responsibility to set it up correctly, and I have it set up now. We make sure everything's tight, and our clamps are on, and then we can add ink. So we pour it in, like that. Now I'm going to hit my pins, the 3 pins, and step on the pedal. I'm going to look at it, make sure there's no obvious defects. It looks pretty good. It's the screener's responsibility to make sure that the parts are cured completely. We do a cross-hatch test. That's a good cross-hatch test. Next, we'll check it to our blue line. This is to ensure that the part is the correct size for the customer. This is called Midas. This is our computer. This is how we track every color that we print. This makes sure that our ink is correct, 2547, 2547. Now we're going to scan our ink. The ink is correct and it's complete. Just complete it. And that ends our setup.